We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up AUD, USD. We are on the monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side, is a bullish green candle. We do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows, midpoint. Also adding second level highs, second level lows, and third level lows. So let's zoom in the price to see what's going on. Let's add another one that's also add fourth level lows. So let's zoom in the price. So current price sitting as a bullish green candle. Is a large candle engulfing the second last candle from that doji, so it could be working its way up further, or its price action tagging that resistance area of the SR line as a zone. So we have to look in the market to see what's going on. So we have a price action work its way up. Price action can tag that area resistance nearing the SR line of 0.69238. Before making it there, it can tag the numbers of 0.67873. If the market decides to draw back, come back for a bit of a retest, it can tag the numbers of, which would be the second last candle top of that wick of 0.65374. If it works its way down further, it'll tag the bottom of that price action doji and that price action candle and that second last candle body doji. So if this market decides to push down further, let's say the market decides to work its way up. So the market decides to work its way up. It's coming from that overall first leg, second leg, third leg. Respects here as it's doing. Price action engulfing the second last candle, working its way up for a W. So what we're looking for as we walk down the time frame is that is price action going to follow up with another bullish green candle, because this price action candle did lose a lot of momentum. Is it going to retest to push up further, or is going to be a reversal? So we're going to take a look at what's going on in that area here. If that market decides to work its way down, it's working its way down from multiple pushes to that top, which will be identified as the overall first, second, third, fourth retest. Market push once, twice, three times, and this could be the fourth push, which price coming from a single bottom and a double retest, and then we had a push in the market. Or that market can consolidate sideways within that third to last candle until we see the engulfment to the top side, which will enter the area, that zone of the resistance to push and break out, or is it engulf the third to last candle bottom side to push that market down. Headed down to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame is reading as a bullish green small candle, still active, so we got to see what direction it's going to go into. Second last candle is a bearish red doji, so it's consolidating side by side with the second last candle in price. So market is identifying that it did spike that area nearing that zone area, so we'll talk about that later. But so far we did receive that break of the market, so just paying attention to the first pattern we see is that first, second, third market broke into it, came back for a retest. So we got to see how far this retest is. Is it enough retest here for that market to decline and drop down from that double top and retest, or will it make it to that zone area? So I mean, it can push up further, still retest that zone to push up further, or break out. So we just got to wait until the market see what it's going to do in this here, if there's engulfment to the top side, downside, or wait till it gets to that area of that zone of that resistance line to see what's really going to happen. Headed down to the daily time frame. So price action daily time frame reading as a retest of that midpoint. So we do have a break. Market came back to retest. At the low, we do have the overall first, second, third, fourth double bottom retest. Market pushed up once, retesting the previous side and we're going to see if that market is going to push and break out. If not, we'll see that market work its way down. So we know that the market is at a midpoint of that area. So let's add the SR line. So now we walk down to the 4-hour time frame. We can see how many times that market broke that SR line and tagged that SR line. So from there, we're going to take a zone a little bit to the top of that zone, a little bit above, and now we get to read the market to see what's happening. Now we do know that the market broke. We can clearly see that the market broke, came back to fully retest that break. Now, is it the incline for that market to push and break out? If so, we'll see that first, second, third respects at the support. Markets create that W formation. Then you look for the break to retest and for that market to work its way up further. If not, we'll see a decline in that area, which will be coming from multiple pushes to that top of that first, second, third, fourth, retest overall one, retest overall second push. So as you can see, price action did break that SR line to the downside. So we look for the retest, which those are all retest candles. So we're going to see if that's a retest candle, or is it going to just push down with follow with the bearish red candle. Headed down to the 2-hour time frame, same as well. So market's in a consolidation near that midpoint area. So the price, second, third, fourth, and some of fifth to last candle wick is all in the range. So we're going to see, we have to wait till that pattern is formed for that full breakout. Headed down to the 1, same as well. It's reading as market spike once, second, third, fourth, retest. Now if it's respected, it can still push up out of here, which would be a triple bottom overall, a double bottom in a retest, unless we see a break, which we do see. So we're going to see if it's going to push down further with the bearish red candle, but price action is a bullish green candle, which could be coming for a retest for that market to push down further. But so far, we do know that market is in the range of that area. Headed down to 45-minute time frame, same candle, bullish green, doji spike down to the bottom. Headed down to 30, same as well. Headed down to the 15, same as well. So what's happening on the 15 is that price did break the zone, the SR line, and just pushed up a little bit to the second level highs. Second level lows. So we have, so to break it down, you have resistance, second level highs, midpoint, third level lows, lower lows, support. 5-minute time frame, what the market is doing. So you can see that it's working its way down. It broke, retest, broke, retest, broke, retest, and now we got to push to the next level. And now we're looking for another consolidation or a retest for that market to push down further, because we just currently broke that support line we did create. So we definitely looking for price to engulf that previous second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, the last candle by a wick to close out to push that market down. If not, anything that's within that wick of that area is consolidation until we see that breakout of that wick. Headed down to the 1-minute time frame, same as well. Very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout and retest strategy. Click on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, AUD, USD.